Hi, good morning. This is Chester, your AIA Life Planner since 2021. So, for today's video, gagawa po ako ng video on how to create your My AIA account. So, if you are a new client of AIA, this is a must because dito nyo po makikita yung policy nyo and everything else that you want to do with your policy. So, pwede nyong gawin dito lahat. So, if you want to have a hard copy of your plan, so you can print it out from this My AIA account. So, hindi na po nagpo-provide si AIA ng hard copy, no? So, because of environmental, kailangan natin magtipid sa, of course, to help the environment as well. So, and we are also in the digital age na, kaya more of online na lahat. So, if you still want to have a hard copy, you just need to print it out uh from your account, no? So, okay. Let me share my screen. So, ayan. So, in creating My AIA, no? So, you can create it on your computer, laptop, iPad, tablet, cell phone, anywhere, no? So, pwede nyong gawin ito. So, you just need to go to your browser. So, you just click on or you just search on aia.com.ph. Yan. So, actually, yan na yung ano niya, no? Ayan na yung kanyang homepage. Yan. And then, so dito sa taas, we all have tabs. So you just need to go to AIA-PH portals. And then go to About My AIA Customer Portal. Ayan. No? So ito na yung mag-a-appear. And then, since wala pa naman tayong account, no? Actually, wala nakalagay na create account, but you just need to click on login now. Tapos, ito na yung lalabas ulit. So, ayan. So, login or create an account. So, create account. So, in creating account, ayan, registration. Yan, makikita nyo to. So before creating an account, please have the following ready. Policy number. You only need to provide one active policy number. Ayan, we'll link your other policies to your My AIA account once you've registered. And insured date of birth. Yan. Make sure to use the date of birth linked to the policy you have chosen. Yan, continue. Ayan, no? So, kailangan nyo lang i-input lahat like insurance company. So, we have AIA Philippines. Ayan. So, if you are AIA Philippines, yan. Yung policy nyo dyan. If BPI AIA, pwede din. So, kung dun yung plan nyo. So, policy number, lagay nyo lang dito. Insured date. Ang lagay nyo kung sino yung insured. Kayo ba yung insured? Anak nyo ba yung insured? Ganyan. Tapos, yung email address nyo dito is the email address that you have put dun sa, yung nag-apply kayo dun sa policy, no? So, kailangan importante, same yung email nyo at yung mobile number nyo dun sa nilagay dun sa application when you applied for the policy, no? So, kung ano yung nakalagay sa policy nyo, yun dapat nakalagay. And then, create password. So, in creating password, kailangan lahat ng ito ay na-achieve nyo, no? So, yan. So, and after that, click on this one, and then continue. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Ayan. So, kapag nakapag-register na kayo, meron na kayong account dito and then you can already log in. So, dito pa din, yan. And then, log in. So, lagay nyo lang yung username nyo, kung ano yung nilagay nyo, or yung email, no, email nyo. Previously, ito kasi yung aking username, and then your password, and then log in. Yan. So, sabi, we're taking a quick break to serve you better. So, it's all only nag-aano lang siya, no? Medyo may maintenance siya, no? Usually on the evening, yan. So, ayan. So, ngayon wala nakalagay na policy, puro numbers lang. Pero, if you in the yung setting talaga na makikita nyo kung ano yung mga policies nyo, like that and all. Ayan, you can view them, which is I'll discuss in another video. So, I think that's it for now. So, hopefully, if you are a new client, ito yung ipagawa kagad sa inyo ng inyong financial advisor or AIA Life Planner. So, ayan, thank you for watching. Have a great day.